if you take a look at this, this is clearly an uptrend. Price made higher high, higher low, higher high. All right, and we expect a reversal to happen from this low being our support. All right, we expect a reversal to happen from this low. This is our new support zone, and this is the external structure. So this is the main high that we are looking for price to take out. All right, and there was a break of structure right here. There was a break of structure before the retracement on the daily time frame. This is our external structure from this low right here to this high. All right, that is our external structure. This low to this high. Now, every other thing does not matter at this point. Until we see a break of this low, this is our focus. And we are trying to look for buy setup right here. Now, the 4-hour time frame, if you have watched our candlestick chart, you'll see this is a sign of bullish momentum, a rejection. All right, this is a pin bar rejection and engulfing. This is our number one sign. Pin bar rejection and engulfing. Pin bar plus engulfing. Remember, on the daily time frame, price is at our support zone. All right, price is at our support zone. Now, this is pin bar and engulfing. Now, on the 1-hour time frame, you see there has been a shift of structure. All right, if you switch it to the line chart, you'll see this is a lower high, this is a lower low. But instead of this low to expect this high to create another low, what did it do? It break out of the high right here, all right, signifying a change of trend from downtrend to uptrend. And what the price do? Price use this newly created support, all right. Price use this support, all right. So on the candlestick chart, you see it's just use the main low right here. So this is the point where price switch from bearish to bullish. So this is day 2 of me holding this trade. I'm still holding. I entered the trade with 20,000 naira. You can see it right here. You can see the balance right here. You can see the balance right here. I entered with 20,000 naira, and we are currently at 51,000 naira. So our take profit point is 50,000 naira, a little bit above this high right here. Okay, still on BTC USD. I had to close my trade during the weekend. All right, this is the first week of May, and it's Sunday at the time of making this video. So the reason I closed the trade is, number one, it's a new month and it's a new week. All right, I love starting the new month and the new week afresh without holding any position from the previous month or from the previous week. So we started this capital with 20,000 naira, and currently it's sitting at 50,000 naira.